It is a 2021 Indian Challenger with a Sawicki pipe and the Mad Monkey Revolution Performance 112 cubic inch big bore kit. I don't know.
What is going on, people? What is going on? So, this is a spot I had never been before. I'm actually at the M3 plant. I'm looking for something. I'm at the Mad Monkey garage, basically, motorsports garage. And, you know, they have that big bore kit, that 112 big bore kit here in North Carolina. And, yeah, got a little opportunity to take it out. So let's talk about it real quick. It is a 2021 Indian Challenger with a Sawicki pipe and the Mad Monkey Revolution Performance 112 cubic inch big bore kit. I don't know anything else other than that. I'll be flat honest. That's all I know. That's literally all I know. I'm here in their home area. See, these guys ain't got no gas in this bike. But, yeah, you see my bike I rode over here. Say what up. Oh. Alright. First impressions, let's go. Oh, it's nice to have a foot peg back. So come up here. I wonder what kind of mileage he gets. They asked me if I was nervous. Because they told me like 10 minutes ago that I could ride it if I wanted. I think he turned traction control off on me. He did. Good to know. Considering I just broke traction control. Oh, my bad. Let me turn this down for you guys. Oh, people. I've yet to ride. As you guys know, maybe you don't know, I did just ride my first Indian Motorcycle Stage 2 cammed bike when I was at the Forever Rad compound in Missouri, actually. When I was in Missouri, I rode that. That was the first time I ever rode anything that wasn't a stock motor, not more than tuned. So that was pretty fun. That bike was the whole feel was different due to the handlebars and everything. I'm just chilling on this right now, guys. So let's be aware of what I'm doing. I'm just getting to know this baby before I let her fly just a little bit. I think it's funny that he turned traction control off. This shit did break pretty easy, I will admit that. Other than that, so actually, be honest, this is my first time riding a bike that's been tuned by Hoonies. And also my first Sawicki pipe. There's a lot of firsts happening right now. Sounds pretty good, I'll tell you. That Sawicki pipe is really loud when I'm not on the bike. Sounds fine on it though. Everything feels good. Sport mode, got it in sport mode, baby. There ain't no other mode but sport mode. Wow. Yeah, she's a beast. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's a beast. It's not too crazy. 6 gear. Okay, 6 gear. Let's go 6 gear. 70. My exit's in a half mile, so I got to get over. Here we go. 75. 6 gear pull. Go. 85. 95. I got to get over. 105. Yeah, that's a go get 'em. That's a go get 'em. Oh crap. Runs good. It's chill, super chill. Dang. Some go get 'ems right there. Holy moly. I'll tell you, that back tire did not grip when I pulled out earlier. Truth is, I can't remember where their shop is. I don't know, maybe that means I should do one more round. Go around one more time. Now that I know the bike, get a little feel for it. Let's go again. Yeah, I want one more lap. I want one more lap. That, and I can't remember where his place is. That's cool though. We're good. So it's very, so it is manageable. It sounds so much different than my bike. That's my biggest takeaway, besides the fact that it feels like it will run my bike all over the place. Oh yeah, that baby hooks, or doesn't hook. The opposite of hook. That girl just spinning around. You know, that's the thing when you start getting power, when you start getting a lot of power, hooking is a big deal. Tires, man, traction, like it just changes things when you got that 140 or whatever, you know, or more, obviously, torque. So this baby's a getter. I don't have mirrors, guys, so if you see me looking back, I'm just trying to see what's happening around me before I make decisions. I need to make the most educated, informative decisions I can before I mess around and do something. I think it's hilarious that he turned traction control off on me, though. I'm gonna be honest. That's what these guys are, man. They're all about go fast, racing, drag racing, king of the baggers racing. I mean, car racing, top fuel. Like these guys, that's the Mad Monkey people. They are racers, like legit go down the track in some form racers before anything else. And obviously you guys know by now that I know the team because I worked with them in Brainerd. I actually was a member of the team in Brainerd on the King of the Baggers, and we've known each other for like what, a year and a half or something now, I'd say. can't hook this. I cannot hook this bad boy. Just cannot hook it at all. I can't hook this fucking tire. What is happening? Jesus. Woo! Man. Could not hook it though. I mean, the roll-on's just no problem at all, but hooking though, it's redonkulous. I like to pop wheelies. This would be tough. This would be tough. I should turn traction control on just to see how it acts, out of curiosity. I mean, what, I gotta do another lap now? Oh man, maybe I should do one more lap, bro. See how it acts. Maybe I will. Man, I better freaking be recording. I think I'm recording. That'd be a bummer if I'm not. I'm probably gonna just upload this live how it sits. I'm not gonna really edit too much into this. Oh, look at it. It's interesting. They're marking throttle positions. You know, that's for research purposes. That's for dynoing. To know where. Yeah, that's really interesting, actually. Shit. Traction control could barely keep up. Holy Jesus. But I'll tell you what though, like just chilling, like it's not too much. It's super, she's happy. She's a happy girl. Man, you just can't, I could not get her to hook at all. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. Jesus. Woo. I'll tell you though, she run. You could. I liked how that took just now. Traction control was good. Wow. All right, guys. Well, I'll tell you what. This is a quick one. This is a short one. This is a 112 cubic inch bike. Hasn't been a lot of content on that. So be interesting to see what else I come up with while I'm here. Damn. And he does he even have tread on that tire? Nope, not really. How much tread I got on my tire? Not really. And he only has like 3,000 miles. I got 10 on mine. Fuck. All right, guys. Hey, that's it. This is it. That's a live one. Ride hard, ride fast. Ask somebody you don't know. Peace.